Hello, welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is a special little short segment because Knit Crate came in. Yes, Knit Crate. Knit Crate is a monthly subscription box. There's different boxes that you can choose from. The one that I get is the membership box. It's $24.99 per month, and that includes your shipping. If you like what you see and want to try it out for yourself, you can get a 20% discount on your very first subscription box if you use the coupon code KCreations20. So let's get started and see what I got. I have 2 skeins of yarn in here. The membership box is 2 skeins of yarn. They do also have a sock box, which is $19.95, and I think they have some other ones that you can choose from as well. And the links to all these will be right down below in the description box. So let's check it out. I did unhook it here. So here we go. I'm holding it so nothing falls out. And they put this pretty tissue paper on it. Ah, pretty gorgeous purpleness. Pretty purpleness. We like purple. One of my favorite colors. So let's see what we've got here. We have 2 skeins, and it's looking more blue than it is. I think grape. It's the color of grape. That's pretty close. So let's see what this is. It is Uru yarn. The colorway is called Beauty Berry. It is 85% merino wool, 15% silk. That would explain why it is soft. It is a DK weight, and there are 300 yards per skein in 100 grams. So there's 600 yards here. Pretty good. Yes, this is nice. It's very soft. It's very purple, which we like purple. Let's see what else is in here, because there's some other goodies in the box. They sent me a shawl pin. It's also, you can put stitches and hold your stitches on them. But it's a rainbow shawl pin, and I'll show you why they're calling it that. It's very iridescent. So it has, you can see different kind of colors in it. It's got some purples and some blues and some greens. Yes, it would be perfect for a shawl pin. It's a little bit bigger than your average large safety pin. Yeah, the center here is purple. It kind of changes color as you move it around. So yeah, this is really pretty. And like I said, you could use it as a stitch holder, or you can use it as a shawl pin. So very pretty, very handy. There we have the pattern book for this month. And let's see what the patterns are. Okay, so the 3 color choices I could have gotten were this gray and the purple that I got, and this blue. And you guys that watch me know I love purple, so that's what I got there. This over here are the 3 choices that would have come if you got the sock box. It's only 1 skein of yarn and some sock patterns. This month's theme was called Prism. I guess that's why we have all these different shades of color here. The other colors were Enlighten, which was the chill out choice. What I got, which is the Beauty Berry, which is the Energize, and the Topolary, which is the neutral choice. So you do get, with your membership crate, you do get a choice of the colors. You can change it by month, or you can just say, surprise me, and be surprised by what's in there. You can see the preview ahead of time, so you kind of know ahead of time what you're getting. I knew I was getting purple because I specifically chose it last month. So that's a new option that they have, which I like, because that way if there's certain colors that are coming out you definitely don't want, you can avoid them. You can pick more a little bit more of what you would like. So here are the patterns this month. Oh, they have some pretty ones. They have a crochet pattern called Lakefront Tunic, which is like a tee, crochet tee. And there's another picture of it. They have some socks, which are called Gooseberry socks, and those are crocheted as well. Then they have, in the knitting section, alternating current socks, which are these right here. And they have a Tower and Tank Sky Deck vest. Okay, and that's a digital bonus, so they're giving you an extra pattern, and here's what it looks like. So I guess this is like if you wore it backwards. It kind of has a cascade look, like a cascade sweater. You can see it kind of over here. And then if you put it on the other direction, it looks more like a tank. I'm guessing that's what they mean by this. So you could wear it either direction. And then the other is a hat. And the hat is called Ledge Beanie. And it is the one that's also, on the front cover. So let's see what else we got in here. Then it gives you the pattern for all of these. So for the price, you're getting 4 patterns plus a digital download. And so that is for $25, that's pretty good, because sometimes patterns can run $4, $5 a piece. Here's some close-up of the crochet socks. And a close-up of the tunic. It looks like a lot of double crochet. Here's the alternating current. These are knitted. So there's a close-up there. So yeah, there's 4 patterns plus the digital download. And let's see what else we can find in here. A lot of times they give you information about the dyer or the designer. They have a pop-up shop, which are special discounted items that they have. And so they have some patterns over there as well as some yarn. So here they are over here. And then they show you your next month's theme that they're basing colors around. And next month's theme is Journey to Peru. That's going to be October. And then you can see the color choices down here. That's the palette they're going to be choosing from. So, and then I can go online and see what the choice colors, the color choices are going to be for the membership box. And I can either keep it as the Energize Me, which is going to be a brighter theme, or I can go with the neutral, which is of course going to be a neutral, or I can go with the cool theme, which is more cooler tones, or if I like all 3 of them, I can always choose the Surprise Me option. So, makes it a little fun. So, that is September's Knit Crate box, and thank you for watching, and again, all the links are down below. If you have not clicked the subscribe button, please do, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.